Hi guys, welcome to this video. We are giving you a new Qtile look. So this is the newly created Qtile. Qtile is Python. Who's better at Python than Claude, right? In previous video, you'll see me starting up a merger between the old ArcoLinux Qtile, then the Kiro Qtile, I think I did later after the video, and then basically merging everything together. And I said, look, the beautiful design of DistroTube, right? I want to have that, right? And there it is. We have now this Qtile look that is similar, not the same, because I kept on working on it and I said, okay, fix the Python code and all that. I want to have different key bindings. So in all our 13 at this point in time desktop / tiling window managers, I would like to have my key bindings, right? A Ctrl-Alt-T should be the same everywhere, and a Super Q should quit everything, and a Super D should show me my applications, etc., right? So all of that is set. The up here, this is a little bit designed as well, an extra day here, and this one is at the top and it can't jump around anymore. So little things that annoyed me, an automatic detection between QWERTY and AZERTY, so I don't have issues because I am on AZERTY. So a Super 1 and a Super 3 will change here. You see it up here, will change my desktop, my workspace basically. So voila, if you install it with the ArcoLinux Qtile tool, right, you know the drill. Either you go like this, then you have information for you, the end user, right? To have an open box and see what is happening when I click desktop, when I click Qtile, what's going to happen, what's going to install, and you can later on remove, but we will never remove things in your .config, right? The Qtile tiling window manager needs a configuration, and you can edit the configuration and change the configuration. And if you do, right, always remember that's my rule: Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. You're happy with it, you rename this thing, and I call this mine, thinking about a movie now, right? Mine. So we have here the Qtile mine. Basically, if I overwrite something, if something goes wrong, I'll just tag these two guys. I will compare it and say, okay, what's wrong? Folders have, of course, now no differences. Enjoy the new Qtile. It's pretty to look at. I have a dual screen as well. I'm working pleasantly. Everything is working. A few things that I've changed is, for instance, in a dual screen, I like to super and then click on my left mouse and drag it to the next screen. So a drag drop thing, some small additions to make Qtile for me a better system. Cheers.